Hello, fellow YouTubers. I'm going to show you my Lego car. Just right here.
Ang pangalan, first name is Marlon, M-A-R-L-O-N.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, here it is. Let me show you. Here's my driver.
Hindi to board? Hindi to board. Hindi naman na ano lang, naturalized lang siya. Okay, pwede. Oh, good, good. Okay. Ayun din ito. Pala, kahit hindi yan. Sige. Pwede natin sa 30 days na.
The old man.